Good morning, everyone. Meteorologist James.sickler here in the SV Storm Shark Weather Center. We are going to be tracking the this line of storms and very heavy rainfall moving through New York, and right now extending all the way from Canada all the way down to Virginia. Right now, some of these storms could produce heavy rainfall, could produce a severe storm. Not out of the question to see a severe storm, but it's not very likely that we will see a storm, but more just areas of heavy rainfall that will be moving through New England later on this afternoon, impacting us, or the impact arrival time should be around 3 to 5 o'clock, and will extend all the way through probably tomorrow morning around 5 a.m. So we are forecasting this storm. We are also forecasting Tropical Storm Aaron, which is going to make landfall as a tropical depression in Canada and near Halifax. Tropical Storm Dorian right now is still south of Puerto Rico, but it is forecasted to make landfall to the United States as a tropical storm, potentially could become a Category 2 hurricane. This forecast is convective, so they have it's a term so that you can, that the forecast, they may have to increase the categorical forecast for the storm, depending on how strong it is. And again, there's a line extending from Canada all the way down to Virginia right now. Some of these storms could produce heavy rainfall. Forecasted rainfall amounts are going to be anywhere from a half an inch to 2 inches and locally heavier rainfall possible. So these storms could produce very heavy rainfall. So let's take a look at the National Weather Service latest advisory. This is Tropical Storm Dorian, forecasted to almost hit Florida right now as a hurricane, Category 1. Here's going to be a look at the wind speed probabilities. So this is seeing tropical storm force winds or greater. Some areas along the eastern Florida panhandle could see tropical storm force winds. This will be anywhere from 50 to 80 miles, or 50 to 70 miles an hour. We're seeing that. And let's take a look at the current satellite imagery for that storm. The visible satellite. So here's Dorian right here. You can see it's kind of getting more organized. Last night it didn't look as much organized. Now, as it's moving into Puerto Rico, is actually gaining strength and will be moving again into Florida. So direction is to the northwest. This is Tropical Storm Aaron, which is forecasted to make landfall near Halifax. And you can see the frontal boundary right here. This is where the line of storms is going to be. And later on today, this line will move through and will be under high pressure for a little bit. We go to the infrared satellite. It's another tool I use to look at hurricanes and tropical storms. So we do have Aaron right here, again moving to the northeast, and Tropical Storm Dorian, which is looking to be gaining strength. Here is a look at the 7-day forecast. It will load. There we go. So tonight, it's more likely going to be tonight and tomorrow morning.